welcome to my channel. Today I will make a semi-finished water container that you are seeing it. In this I will show you how to use loft surface command, and here are some planes that I have created. I will show you the 2D sketch of it like this. We have to draw that we will create the planes here to make by using the loft surface command. If you have seen this, then let's start to begin in our SolidWorks. Go to new, select part as earlier as you have seen. Click OK. First of all, check the parameters or units. Go to settings, select document properties, units. It will be millimeter grams seconds. Choose this. Click OK. Now let's start. Select top plane from featured design tree, sketch. Now first I will draw ellipse here. Select center point of origin. Give the dimensions. Now here we will give add relations. Select this point and this origin point. Make horizontal. Now see, it's now fully defined sketch. Click OK. Exit. Now our second geometry will be on reference geometry. Take reference geometry, plane. Scroll down here. Take top plane. And here choose 50 mm distance. OK. Now select this plane, sketch, normal. Choose here circle. We have to make 2 circles here. Only give smart dimensions. Select this circle and this origin point. Remain as it is. Now go to leaders here. See it carefully. Go to dimensions. Remain as it is. Value leaders. See here arc condition. First arc condition will be maximum. Take this. Click OK. Now give it 160 mm. Use smart dimension again. Give it 220 mm diameter. And this will be, take 38 plus 38, that is 76. Right click on it. You can see here display as radius. Apply it. OK. Now here go to line command. Select this point to this. OK. Again select your line. Press Ctrl Z button. Now go to add relation. Select this point, center point of circle to this origin. Make it horizontal. As you see here, both the circles are now fully defined. Now let's go to trim entities. Select here trim to closest. Trim this part. Select this, and this. Ctrl 8, press. Now our geometry has closed. Only apply here fillet. Use go to sketch fillet. Take a radius as 23 mm. Select this point and this point. Click OK. Exit. Now hide this plane by choosing this plane. Hide. Now we have to create here total 8 planes. So go to reference geometry, select your plane, scroll down here, select top plane. This time I will use 100 mm distance. OK. In our figure you can see section AA and BB having the same geometry here, 50 and 100 mm distance. So we will use only convert entities in our sketch tool command manager. So select this plane, sketch, normal to profile. Now use here convert entities. Convert this all geometry. OK. Make sure that the geometry will be closed. Exit. Now hide this plane. Again go to reference geometry, select plane, scroll down here, select top plane, take here 160 mm. OK. Now apply here our sketch in this plane. Select this, sketch. Now this time in section E the geometry will be this, as you see here. Select circle, make here 2 circles. Apply dimensions. Select whole circle. whole circle and to this point. Go to leaders. Select here arc condition as maximum. Okay. Now this time I will make 150 mm distance. Go to add relation. Select this point and this point. Make it horizontal. Okay. Go to smart dimension. Click OK. Our dimension has selected here, so right click on it or simply closed. Select this dimension, right click on it, go to display options, display as radius. Now make this radius as 37 mm. Now again select smart dimension, select this bigger arc, make this 220 mm diameter. Okay. Now go to line command, select this point, go to trim entities, see our geometry has now closed, so click OK. Go to fillet in sketch command. Now this time make radius 13 mm, red eye, select this point and this point. As you can see the preview, click OK. Exit. Now hide this plane also. Again go to reference geometry, plane, scroll down this command. Now this time select top plane here for first reference, make it 210. Okay. Again go to reference plane, deselect this, scroll down here, top plane 240 mm. Okay. Hide this plane. Now select this plane number 7, sketch, make here circle, so go to circle in sketch command manager, exit, use smart dimension, make this 150 mm diameter. OK. Exit. Now hide this plane number 7. Go to plane number 8. Select this plane number 8, sketch. Again use circle. Select the origin point. Make your dimensions. Apply here 86 mm dia. Click OK. Exit. Hide this plane also. Now our last plane. Scroll down this. Select top plane. Height will be now 225 mm height, and here diameter of the circle will be 70 mm dia. I will make it now. Take 225 mm dia. Sorry, not 225, not 255 mm dia height. Click OK. Select this plane, sketch, normal to profile. Click your circle, origin point. Now here take smart dimension. Make 70 mm dia. Click OK. Exit. Hide these planes. Now our 2D sketches that have been made. Simply go to surfaces, surface lot. Select this profiles all. Select this one, this. As you can see, our loft surface has been applying here. Click OK. Here one space is left. We have to fill this by using planar surface. Select the edge only. You can see the preview in yellow color. Click OK. Now go to night surface here. Select all the faces of it, so that we will make it merged. Click on merge entities. Click OK. Now our body has been applied here. Now select the front plane, sketch, make here center line. Go to straight slot. Make here one slot here. Apply the dimensions. Make here 128 mm distance, and the radius will be, take 15 mm radius. Length will be 95 mm. Now select here angle, select this point, center point of straight slot and this center line. Make it here 5 degree. Cancel it. Make here 5 degree. As you can see all the dimensions here. So go to exit. Select here extrude surface. End condition will be made plane. Select 218 mm distance. Click OK. Now we have to trim it. Trim these surfaces. Go to trim surface here. Select here keep body. Click OK. It is not done properly, so edit this feature. Select this surface. And this part. Click OK. Again go to edit feature. Select the surface extrude and the surface trim. Click OK. Now you can see our extrude cut has been done here. Only we have selected this. Go to here edit feature. As you can see the trim tool will be this body surface extrude and the trim portion will be this. so that it cuts the interior portion. Click OK. Now go to again trim surface. Trim this part. Click OK. Now you can see our cut has been made. As you can see the inside portion. Now go to thinken. Add here thickness 0.01 mm. Select this whole body. Click OK. Now it becomes solid, not surface anymore. So our last tool command, that will be fillet. Go to fillet. Add here radius 15 mm red eye. Select this edge. It takes some time. Select here edge tool. Now you can see the preview. Click OK. Or take 10 mm. If the operation is not doing it, then close it. So our model is completed. If you want to give any material, you can give it by clicking on material not specified on feature manager tree. Select this. I will use here copper. See, it's applied. Or if you want to change the background, you can change it. I will choose plain white. It looks good. So if you like our video, then subscribe our channel for more interesting projects in SolidWorks or in Creo. Thanks for watching it. Stay blessed. Bye bye.